flatten the piece of clay. And starting with the larger size paper tube, I start stamping on in the middle of the slab. Also, you can see that the tubes have a perfect round shape, and that's exactly what I need. After that, I'm taking a size smaller and stamping next to the large ones. Then even smaller size. And the rest I'm filling in with the tiny ones, and I'm making those with the plastic straw. And then I start adding the mica powders. First I'm going with the blue. Then I'm adding the green. A little bit of the dark gold. And then again a little bit of the blue. And here's how it looks like.